Tourism and Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lingdo yesterday inaugurated the Miss Universe Meghalaya launch event at Vivanta, Khandailat. The ceremony commenced with the unveiling of the event's official logo by Guest of Honor Frederick Roy Kakangor, IAS, followed by an introduction to Miss Meghalaya, Glaman Entertainment Private Limited, and Miss Universe India, presented by the reigning Miss Meghalaya, Miss Stella Kongsni and Mr. Amjad Khan. In his address, Minister Paul Lingdo highlighted the government's initiative to support and develop the soft skills of the state's youth, particularly in music and the arts. Chief guest Paul Lingdo also unveiled the official crown for the upcoming Miss Universe Meghalaya.
Sophia started her career at a very young age, the guest of honor.
Today, I can say with a lot of confidence that Meghalaya has arrived. And where our soft skills are concerned, the sky is the limit. As we speak, our boys from Riasampia, from Jayao, Dapes is performing on the 11th at Dubai with the sponsorship and support of the Tourism Department of Meghalaya. Daniel's aim has taken our fabric to Milan last year. These were not opportunities available to our young people even 10 years.
Meghalaya government has vowed to take up